Today's video, I'm showing you about a new Telegram airdrop that is called DONOT and why you should be able to do it because it has a potential backer alongside it. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, my name is Odis Profits. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. Donut is in a new airdrop in town, although the vibe of Telegram airdrops is actually fading because of the way they have been doing. And thank God for the new versions for Telegram airdrops in terms of their listing, so people will know the ones that are legit and the ones that just want to take people's turn transactions and go away. So this Donut airdrop, which is currently here, is partnered with Pause. As you can see right here, it's been partnered with Pause, and at least everybody knows that how Pause is also being partnered with Notcoin as well as Dogs, and it's something worthwhile that we can be able to do. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to do it on your mobile device. So the first thing that you should be able to do is to click the link showing on the screen as well as the one in the description for you to be able to direct you to the Telegram. Then you have to pass through some early preliminary pages. Then the first thing that you need to do is to claim your free donut. Okay, claim your free donut. All you have to do is to open with your Telegram account or connect with your Townkeeper. So I'm using my Townkeeper, as you can see right here, and I'll just click on it. I'll click on my Townkeeper, and this is my Townkeeper at the moment. Then it will redirect me for it to be able to load. It's not allowing me to be able to claim mine, so I'll just move forward for now. Then you can be able to use this to be able to get your invites, that is, send your invite links to people or your friends, in terms of so that you can be able to get more people to join your account as well as join or follow you. Then you come here to do your preliminary task, which is the first task here, your daily combo. And let's say I've subscribed to their channel on X. I'll just claim it. I'll join their Telegram channel. And I'll just press join. And after that, I'll go back to my account, then claim my activities there. The next thing is to go to the leaderboard. This showcases the number of things that you need to do as well as what you already have. So these guys have enough money, maybe their turn and the likes. Then the number of donuts that they have already earned. Donut is the same coin, like the same way Pause is and the likes. So they already have it. It's still loading for me for my join Telegram. Then I can click on here. I'd firstly connect my wallet, which is the first thing that I recommend. Whenever you are doing Telegram airdrop, you should be able to connect your wallet immediately. Okay, so I'll just connect my wallet first and wait for it. So connection declined. I don't know the reason why, so I'll retry again. Connection declined. You shouldn't be writing connection declined. Okay, it has actually connected. Okay, so let's cook. It's actually connected for me, so go here as well. I've gotten my connections complete, so maybe a free donut, if it is possible for me to get a free donut. Okay, I've collected a free donut. I can be able to, well done, don't reply, then share on my Telegram story. Can be able to share on my Telegram story, and let's say share, right? Share on my Telegram story. The reason why I'm doing it is for you to be able to do yours. Okay, do yours. I'll just post on my Telegram story, and I have actually shared on my story. Okay, then I can maybe share again. Do all these tasks because it's a new airdrop that is currently available, and you should be able to do it so that you can be able to get something. Then I'll share again, and it will work out for me. I'm just doing it so that it will just go completely, and I can be able to see what I'll get. So it's now writing well done. So I'll just click on well done there, and I've done this. I've connected my wallets. I've done this is the leaderboard. Then if I go down here, I'll go down here. I can also claim my token. That's my join because I've joined their community. I've done it. Then the next thing is to go here, then cook. Make sure you cook. If you don't cook, you cannot be able to claim anything. So the first thing that you need to do is to cook. Okay. So look at the amount that you want to cook. Right. You are cooking 50% of your donut. So I'll just press it there and just try it out first. So it will tell you to do some Tron transactions. That's connecting your wallet. I've already connected my wallet. Then it will tell me to confirm. Okay, to tell me to confirm. So I have 0. Send 0.01 ton. That's 0.1 ton. That's what I'll send for me to be able to do it. But if I should check it, that's the amount, the total amount will be 0.5 US dollars. That's what I'll just spend entirely on this thing. So I'll just say, okay, let me just do it because I have the amounts, and I'll just press this. And I'll just allow it to go. Then waiting for the blockchain answer in terms of progress. The reason why I'm doing it is just for me to be able to test how the cooking works out or how the airdrop works out. And this is my airdrop wallet, not my main wallet. So I'm just doing it there for doing sake. Okay, I'm just doing it there for doing sake. Okay, so well done. Then I have actually cooked 50% of it. So I'll also share it again on my Telegram account that I share for on my donut, on my account. So for selected, I will share it and it's actually going. So I've also shared it again. That's I've cooked again. So I don't know if my name is around here. Okay, as you can see right here, as you are seeing already, all these profits have actually cooked. So this is my own here. I've cooked 0.1 ton. So you are seeing it. Cooked 0.1 ton, which is what you should be able to do first. No matter how, if you have the money, yeah, although I don't subscribe to this kind of thing, but let me just see, since it's a new airdrop that people are doing, I'll just try and cook one first. Let me see what will happen and probably do some other things. Then I can share my profile. That's if I have this. So I have actually done my sharing. That's shared every single thing. Then if you have maybe like Telegram stars or enough, you can be able to boost their channel. If you're using Telegram Premium, you can be able to boost their channel if you want. Then their daily combo, okay, their daily combo here. So um so this is the daily combo, as you can see right here. I'm already putting it on the screen so that you can be able to see it. The first one is this, the second one is this, the third one is this, and the fourth one is this. That's the daily combo. So you can be able to use it and do your own edit. So to be able to do it is this one first. That's the last one, which is the second here. The second one is this particular one, which is here. Then, okay, I think it's this one here. Let me just go back and try it again. Press this here. Second one is this one here, as well as this one here. Then I'll try it, and I already claimed 1,000 donuts, so I'll just claim it. And that's, I've just claimed it, and the next thing is just to wait for every single thing. So this is what you just be doing, but I'll still be sharing it on my group so that people can be able to be getting their donut claims and doing every single thing. So you just need to be cooking and be getting some donuts. So I have 2.2k now and doing every single thing so that it will just be going for you. So basically, this is how to be able to do donut airdrop step by step, and you can be able to withdraw your turn once the time is available. My name is Oris Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.